Alright, we'll let that settle. Let's pour it in there. It smells wonderful. Alright, I've let it chill for a few hours. Now let's cut into it and see how it turned out. It cuts pretty well, mashallah. I mean, incredible. Absolutely incredible. The fact that I didn't have to bake it and it has like a pudding consistency is a new one for me. It's tart, delicious, incredible. Subhanallah. I hope that you get to try it and be just as amazed as I am. And I made it in the cast iron skillet, so that's how I wanted to do this recipe, but you could also do an 8-inch pie shell as well. Hope you're having a good day.